It's okay. I know you miss your blankie. It's in the wash. You're going to get your blankie back soon. I promise. Why don't you lie on the white blankie? You want the blue one, eh? Why don't you lie on the white blankie? You can lie on the white blankie. Come on. I know you want your blankie back. It's in the dryer. It'll be an hour, and then you can have it back, okay? Go on. I know, you're upset. Well, come on. Look, there's a white blankie you can lie on. Why don't you lie on that? Tommy, you can do it. I know, he's upset. It's okay. I know, it's okay. Here, come on. I'm going to pick you up, and I'm going to put you on the white blankie. Okay? Come on. Yeah, I know you don't want to try it, but why don't you just give it a try? There, this one's clean. Look, there you go. I know it's not the same. Your blue blanket's coming back. It's just in the dryer. Well, lie down. Give it a shot. Look, Tasha's not even lying on a blanket. Come on. I know. Come on, Tommy, lie down. Give it a shot. It's okay. Lie down. I know it's not the same. I know it's not the same. I know. He's not happy. Yeah. Come on, Tommy, lie down. You okay? Tommy? I know. You just have to wait an hour and your blue blanket will be done. Okay? Yeah. There you go. There you go. See? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, he's not happy. I love you.